Since we covered the major currency pairs in our last video, now it's time to look at crosses. Currency pairs that do not involve the US dollar are called crosses. Some of the most actively traded crosses are Euro to Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar to Japanese yen, British pound to Japanese yen, Euro to British pound, Euro to Swiss franc, Australian dollar to Japanese yen. Just like majors, crosses share certain characteristics that differentiate them from other groups of currency pairs on the Forex market. Here are some characteristics that give crosses wider spreads and make them riskier to trade than majors. There's one more group of currency pairs to cover. Join me in the next video when I discuss exotics.